Do you ever feel like being a judge, deciding who is right and also who is wrong?
Do you ever need to join a court, like being in the judicial branch?
Do you ever want to be noticed by someone with power like the president? He could pick you to be in the court, 'cause then checked you.
You get the final say in all the laws, just on the court, unlike other branches.
'Cause baby, you check all new laws, make 'em go and make it right, as you show 'em what's constitutional.
Baby, you're a supreme judge, come on, go review those laws, make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in You have to try your very best. You can be impeached, you can be replaced. There are so many more where you came from. Don't slack off, you will be erased.
There is a reason why we check each other, so we can keep others from getting too much power. Checks and balances, power all the same, and when you're checked you'll know how to remember all the courts. Make sure federal and district, Supreme Court.
Check all the new laws, make 'em go make it right, show 'em what's constitutional.
Created using Powtoon.